and we're going to test to see if the notes work. Hopefully they still work. I say this ain't the one I've just cleaned, this is one I've already cleaned. So you've got the bottom door open, the bottom door off. There's the door. And just up here, there's two buttons. Let's get that torch again. You've got a red button and a green button. And that's all the deal switches there. That changes the settings on things. So, and then you've got a button down here. That's your upper topper. Let's get this so that's near enough. So what you got to do is press the green button and the upper button, all within half a second of each other. You hear the little extra little bleep. So you're in your menus now. This is a test menu. I don't know if we got it on the normal one or we got to press the extra button, but you can test all your stuff there. Meters, strip, offer deals, input. So we might have to go into the extended menu. Coin key, notes in, that's the one we want. So we go notes in, we click that outside button, that's giving you the notes in. You can turn the notes off. A bit, not sure what that one does to be honest, but get your notes and it should read them. I'll just get the camera down a bit more so you're looking at the bit what matters, which is the display. So stick the 20 in, you can push the bottom down, push the top door down, and it should just read them and it'll give it to you and back. So alternate, it's a fancy word, isn't it? Just so you can see, it's reading all the notes. Done all this already. I don't need to put them all in, but out of say 10 20s and 10 10s, it was reading probably a third of them, if that, maybe a quarter. And I've done all this when I put it all back together last time, turned the machine on, and then it wasn't reading again. And that was down to that bit I've shown you in the video, the other video, basically full of crap. So all you're doing is putting, these are different notes by the way, not the same notes. All you're doing is putting the crap back on the notes again, because this part was dirty. I'm doing 10s and 20s, just otherwise it just keeps saying 20 if you keep putting 20s in. If it doesn't like the note or it can't read the note, you'll see nothing written on there. So this one's working fine. That's basically it in the video. Nothing more to sort of say. Let's have a look, see if I can think of something else we could be learning. And to take it out of the test mode, you got to put, you got to have the bottom door, definitely have the bottom door open, it won't go into test mode otherwise. It should take it out of test mode with the door on. We'll stick a few notes in for real. Just booting up now, it won't tell you what percentage it is on. Oh, you can, when I was in test mode I could have showed you, I might do another video on that one actually. You can change between it paying out 10s or 20s. basically how it works. I've locked it up now, and I'll do another video. So let's try a tenner. The tenners are going to drop to into the bottom box. That's shuffling it down into the bottom bay. So it's never gonna put the tens into the other top bit. So there's your bottom box. And this is the other one I've just been cleaning. That goes in like that. And all the notes, I'll show you in a minute. Turn that key. All the notes go in there. That little spring holds them in. It shuffles them in there all nice and tidy. Let's try 20. So the 20s, if it goes into the top, let's show you with this one. So again, this tray goes in there, this box. So all the ones which it doesn't like, the tenors always go down to the bottom here, and the 20s it doesn't like. And this is basically inside here. I've showed you this on the video. Inside there, that round black thing. Imagine like a toilet roll, and the note goes round, and then bits of tape is wrapping it round. So the edge always seems to sort of stick out. So all it does is reverse, goes around all that tape, back through there, and pays it out. So the top part, it should, if it likes that note, that little noise, that means it's wrapped it round that cylinder. Like that one as well. So what's that? 3 in there? Is it 4? No, so all these notes so far, it's gone into the top. It's read every note so far and spat me out. So famous last words. I don't know whether it is with this machine. Once it gets to 100, it doesn't want to take any more notes. The other machines I got, yeah, let's try 10. So it seems once it gets to 100, it doesn't want to take it, even though it's saying that. Whether I've got something in the settings, it don't want to take any more notes. I'll do a separate video on how to empty the machine if you want to get all your money back. Thanks for watching.